Hey guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be doing another copycat recipe. This is a copycat of Starbucks banana bread. I got this off of Pinterest from myfrugaladventures.com. Who doesn't love a good banana bread? So I'm going to go ahead and test this out and let you guys know how it turns out. So if you want to see, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
First things first, I got to mashing up my bananas, and they were not the spottiest, ugliest bananas, so they did not mash that well, but that's okay. And then my dry ingredients, I got my flour, baking soda, and salt, and incorporated those. My wet ingredients, I got sugar and my oil, mixed those together. And then I got my egg and added that together before I made my buttermilk with my vinegar and milk. And then I added my wet to my dry ingredients. And I mixed that almost all the way. But then I added my milk and vanilla, and then that's when I started really trying to incorporate. And once it was almost done, I got my walnuts and mixed those in and then folded everything together. And then I poured it in my baking pan, which I don't know why I had so much difficulties with this. You know, it's really hard to show you guys how to put it in, but then I just baked it until it was done.
Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all done. I already cut into it to let it cool down a little bit more. I pulled it out of the oven about 10 minutes ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste and let you guys know how it turns out. Oh, I think I would be doing a shame if I did not get some butter on this, so give me just a sec. Yeah, that is pretty dang identical to what you would get at Starbucks. This is super awesome. Perfect amount of nuts to the banana. The banana is not overly sweetened. It's a lot less sweet than other banana breads that I've had, but this is super good. It took a little bit longer to bake than I would have liked. So that's it, guys. It's good. It's definitely a winner for us. I would rate this 9.5 out of 10. No complaints other than the time. So let me know what other copycat recipes you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.